Hi, Claudia here. Sorry about that. I was doing the rest for this page and my camera went off. So I was talking to myself. So I said when I saw this collection that this pages, I just love it. I don't know why, but I love the view. It looked peaceful and it will be great among the book to have some stuff for scrapbooking. So because I love the page, I want to do something different. And what I did, I already cut everything I'm gonna use. I'm going to add pockets and some sheets so you can journal it in. But because this is copy paper, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add some washi tape. This is not part of the collection, but because I want to put, I want to put the, let me put some glue. I have to sew the booklet, so I want to make sure that the center of the book is strong enough. And okay, this one goes out. Let me get this, let me fold it. Let's take whatever is extra here out of the way. Okay, now the center is ready, nice and thick, strong for the binding. So let's add the reinforcement pages. And these are not exactly the size of the booklet, but it's good enough. It's just to don't have the flimsy paper there. This one is going to be more thick, more strong. Now in this case I want to put it as close as I can because this is one booklet. And the pages inside these are gonna be good for let's see, let's put the pockets. One on each side. Okay. So yes, I was preparing this before and I didn't notice that my camera was off. So I was talking to myself. Let's see. Okay, let's do the binding. If you want, you can glue it, but because I haven't glued any of them, I'm not sure how that will come out. So I put it in, and I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3, and just hope come on. Okay. So let's start with one here. We go in and out. Now we go from out to in. Let's see. I think it's going to be enough, but let's put some more just in case. This one here. This one has to go back in. The only trick here is try not to get into the thread. Okay, boom. So now I usually say that you have to do, you know, very strong, but because this is just paper, I will tell you, make sure that is tight, but don't be too rough. And boom. One here and one here. We don't need to type too many times. It's not really necessary. And here we have our little booklet for this lovely page. It has the belly band. So this is the page. The booklet, the booklet goes in like this, and I will take the journal out, and we can put this page. This one is short, this one is long. We can put this page here. And oops. Here we have it. We have the page and we have the booklet. And in this side, we have a little tuck, so we can put a tag there. Okay, well, that's it. I made the full page. I decorate the full page. I attach my belly band. I create my little booklet. And that's it for right now. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye.